Hello, this video is going to show you 2 room deodorizer air freshener recipes. These are great because they're all natural, which is going to reduce the toxic load that you're bringing into your house, which is a great idea for you and your family and your pets. Hi, my name is Amelia, and this is the Essential How-To channel, where I love to amplify your sense of feeling good in your home, your health, and your attitude. Everything I talk about today will be linked to down below in the description, including this really great ebook with a lot of natural cleaning product recipes. So be sure to check that out. This first recipe is really good if you want to deodorize a room after you've done some cooking or there's a pet odor or something like that. You just simply take a bottle, add an equal amount of water and rubbing alcohol, and then 15 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. So simple. And then you're going to shake it up and spray it in your room, and it's just going to make all the difference. You can use any essential oils, whatever your favorite is. Lemon and eucalyptus would be really good for cutting through some odor, but so would cinnamon or maybe lemon and lavender. You can use really pretty much anything that you like. The second recipe is so simple, and I can't believe how well it works. I have these all around my house. You simply start with a mason jar and you add a 1/4 cup of baking soda. To that you add 4 to 6 drops of essential oil, again using your favorite aromas, whatever you like. On the top of the mason jar you put a piece of cloth, or maybe you can use a pretty napkin that you have sitting in the drawer. I know I've got a lot of these. Or I just simply grabbed a piece of paper towel and put it on top. Every day you give it a little shake and it will freshen the air in your room. And when the aroma begins to diminish, you simply add 2 or 3 more drops, 4 more drops, shake it up, and you're ready to go again. You can have these sitting in your bathroom, in your kitchen, in a bedroom, in the entryway. It's just a really simple way to get your room smelling really great. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Check out the links that I have below with even more do-it-yourself cleaning recipes using the powerful compounds and essential oils.